श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक दुसरा मूर्ख लक्षणांचा. समास 6वा तमोगुण लक्षण.
Dashak 2 Signs of Fools. Chapter 6 The Tamas Quality. Shri Ram.
मागा बोलिला रजोगुण क्रियेसहित लक्षण. आता ऐका तमोगुण तोही सांगिजेल.
In the last chapter, I told about Rajas quality with its signs and action. Now, Tamas will be told, which you may listen to.
संसारी दुःख संबंध प्राप्त होता उठे खेद. का अद्भुत आला क्रोध तो तमोगुण.
When there is sorrow in the family, the tamas causes great suffering mentally. Tamas also causes sudden outburst of anger.
शरीरी क्रोध भरता नोळखे माता पिता. बंधू बहीण कांता ताडी तो तमोगुण.
Such a man, when angry, beats anybody. May he be his father, his mother, his brother, sister, or wife.
दुसऱ्याचा प्राण घ्यावा आपला आपण स्वये द्यावा. विसरवी जीव भावा तो तमोगुण.
By tamas, man feels urge to kill others or himself. He forgets that life is valuable.
भरले क्रोधाचे काविरे पिशाच्या परी वावरे. नाना उपाये नावरे तो तमोगुण.
Such a man becomes so angry that he roams about us as if possessed by ghost and is not controlled by any attempts.
आपला आपण शस्त्रपात पराचा करी घात. ऐसा समय वर्तत तो तमोगुण.
Tamas man sometimes hurts himself by weapon or slays others. When he acts like this, he should be recognized as tamas person.
डोळ्या युद्धची पहावे रण पडिले तेथे जावे. ऐसे घेतले जीवे तो तमोगुण.
When a man likes to see a war going on or to go where there is some battle, he is under the influence of tamas.
अखंड भ्रांती पडे केला निश्चय बिघडे. अत्यंत निद्रा आवडे तो तमोगुण.
When a man is always confused, when what he decides is not done, and he likes to always go to sleep, that is tamas quality.
सुधा जयाची वाड नेणे कडू अथवा गोड. अत्यंत जो का मूढ तो तमोगुण.
Man who has great hunger, who does not care whether the food is bitter or sweet, and who is totally stupid, is tamasic by nature.
प्रीती पात्र गेले मरणे तया लागी जीव देणे. स्वये आत्महत्या करणे तो तमोगुण.
When a person gives up his life, when his dear one dies, or commits suicide suddenly, it is tamas.
इडा मुंगी आणि स्वापद याचा करू आवडे वध. अत्यंत जो कृपामंद तो तमोगुण.
A tamasic man likes to kill small insects, ants, small animals. He has no kindness.
स्त्री हत्या बाळ हत्या द्रव्यालादी ब्रह्महत्या. करू आवडे गोहत्या तो तमोगुण.
Tamasic man kills women, children, and even cows.
विसाळाचे नेटे विष घ्यावेसे वाटे. परवधमनी उठे तो तमोगुण.
When a man gets so irritated that he takes poison or starts killing others, that is tamasic quality.
अंतरी धरुनी कपट पराचे करी तळपट. सदा मस्त सदा उद्धट तो तमोगुण.
When a man destroys others through malice and is always arrogant and bullying, he is tamasic.
कळह वावा ऐसे वाटे झोंबी घ्यावी ऐसे उठे. अंतरी द्वेष प्रगटे तो तमोगुण.
When a man likes to fight or quarrel and his mind is full of hatred, that is tamas.
युद्ध देखावे ऐकावे, स्वये युद्धची करावे, मारावे की मरावे, तो तमोगुण.
When a man likes to witness battle or to listen to stories of battle, or he wants to wage war or to kill or be killed, it is the sign of tamas.
मत्सरे भक्ती मोडावी, देवाळये बिघडावी, फळती झाडे तोडावी, तो तमोगुण.
A tamasic man goes to the limit of his jealousy to destroy temples, thwart devotional activities, or to cut fruit bearing trees.
सत्कर्मे ते नावडती, नाना दोष ते आवडती, पाप भय नाही चित्ती, तो तमोगुण.
He does not like good actions, he likes vices and has no fear about committing sins or crimes. Such a man is tamasic.
ब्रह्मवृत्तीचा उच्छेद, जीव मात्रास देणे खेद, करू आवडे अप्रमाद, तो तमोगुण.
When a man destroys the means of livelihood of humans, he likes to do wrong things and give pain to other creatures. That man is tamasic.
आज्ञा प्रळये, शस्त्र प्रळये, भूत प्रळये, विष प्रळये, मत्सरे करी जीवक्षये, तो तमोगुण.
A tamasic man causes havoc by weapons, fire, wild animals, ghosts, or poisonous food, and through hatred kills many animals.
परपीडेचा संतोष, निष्ठुरपणाचा हव्यास, संसाराचा नये त्रास, तो तमोगुण.
A tamasic man gets cruel pleasure in troubling others. He is habitually cruel and is not tired of family life. He is tamasic.
भांडण लावून द्यावे, स्वये कौतुक पहावे, कुबुद्धी घेतली जीवे, तो तमोगुण.
A tamasic man causes a fight and revels in seeing others fighting, and he harbors very bad intentions in his mind.
प्राप्त झालिया संपत्ती, जीवास करी यातायाती, कळवळा नये चित्ती, तो तमोगुण.
When such a man gets rich and gives trouble to other persons without any remorse, he is tamasic.
नावडे भक्ती, नावडे भाव, नावडे तीर्थ, नावडे देव, वेदशास्त्र न लगे सर्व, तो तमोगुण.
A man who does not like devotion, has no faith, has no love for God or places of pilgrimage, and has nothing to do with sacred books like Vedas and sciences, he is a tamasic man.
स्नान संध्या नेमनसे, स्वधर्मी भ्रष्टला दिसे, अकर्तव्य करीतसे, तो तमोगुण.
A man who does not take bath daily, does not pray, who has fallen from his religious conduct, and who does not do what he should do, he is tamasic by nature.
ज्येष्ठ बंधू बाप माये, त्यांची वचने न साहे, शीघ्र कोपी निघोन जाये, तो तमोगुण.
When the man does not tolerate what his elder brother or parents tell, and in the fit of anger leaves the house and goes away, it is tamasic quality.
उगेची खावे, उगेची असावे, स्तब्ध होऊन बैसावे, काहीच स्मरेना स्वभावे, तो तमोगुण.
Tamas makes a man very lazy. He likes to eat, drink, and sleep, or sit like a statue, and such a man is very forgetful.
चेटक विद्येचा अभ्यास, शस्त्र विद्येचा हव्यास, मल्ल विद्या भावी ज्यास, तो तमोगुण.
When tamas becomes prevalent in a man, he likes to study black magic. He likes to learn to use weapons and wrestling.
केले गळाचे नवस, राडी बेडीचे सायास, काष्ठयंत्र छेदी जिव्हेस, तो तमोगुण.
Tamasic man takes a vow to torture himself if God is pleased and his request is granted by God. He gets his body fettered or gets his tongue pierced by sharp instruments.
मस्तकी भदे जाळावे, पोते अंग हुरपळावे, स्वये शस्त्र टोचून घ्यावे, तो तमोगुण.
A tamasic man burns fire on his head, or scorches his body with fire, or pierces his body by weapon.
देवास सिर वहावे, का ते अंग समर्पावे, पडणीवरून घालून घ्यावे, तो तमोगुण.
Tamas makes a man offer his head also to God, or his whole body to be slain as a ritual offering, or to jump off from a cliff.
निग्रह करून धरणे, का ते टांगून घेणे, देवद्वारी जीव देणे, तो तमोगुण.
Tamasic man offers to sit at the door of a temple until his prayer is heard, or he may even hang himself.
निराहार उपोषण, पंचाग्नी धूम्रपान, आपणास घ्यावे पुरून, तो तमोगुण.
Tamasic person observes very difficult fasts, does penance like test by fire, or inhaling smoke, or buries himself.
सकाम जे का अनुष्ठान, का ते वायू निरोधन, अथवा राहावे पडोन, तो तमोगुण.
Even a very lengthy program of penance to meet selfish ends, or to stop breathing, or to lie down lazily, are all signs of tamas.
नखे केश वाढवावे, हस्तची वर्ते करावे, अथवा वाक्शून्य व्हावे, तो तमोगुण.
To let the hair and nails grow, or to keep arms constantly high above the head, or to stop talking totally, are all signs of tamas.
नाना निग्रहे पीडावे, देह दुःखे चरफडावे, क्रोधे देवास फोडावे, तो तमोगुण.
To harass and torture the body by cruel decisions of self-inflicted punishment, to get angry if physically pain is given, or to break the idols of God in anger, are all signs of tamas.
देवाची जो निंदा करी, तो आशाबद्धी अघोरी, जो संत संग न धरी, तो तमोगुण.
One who blames God, does not keep company with saints, and has tremendous desire for evil doing, is tamasic by nature.
ऐसा हा तमोगुण, सांगता तो असाधारण, परित्यागार्थ निरूपण, काही एक.
Such is tamas, a quality which is too vast to be described, but something is shown so that you can leave such tendencies.
ऐसे वर्ते तो तमोगुण, परी हा पतनास कारण, मोक्ष प्राप्तीचे लक्षण नव्हे येणे.
One who acts like this is tamasic. It is the cause of degradation, and this is not a sign of liberation.
केल्या कर्माचे फळ, प्राप्त होईल सकळ, जन्म दुःखाचे मूळ, तुटेना की.
Action committed will definitely bring its results, and birth, which is the root of suffering, is not easy to obviate.
भावया जन्माचे खंडन, पाहिजे तो सत्वगुण, तेची असे निरूपण, पुढील समासी.
In order to avoid rebirth, the sattva quality is necessary. And in the next chapter, we are going to describe that.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे तमोगुण लक्षण नाम समास सहावा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the second dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this sixth chapter, by name the tamas quality, is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.